Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect scrambled eggs on an induction cooktop. First, gather all your necessary tools and ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs per person, a non-stick pan compatible with induction, a rubber spatula, and a small bowl with a whisk. Having everything ready before you start cooking ensures a smooth and enjoyable process, leading to delicious results every time. Now, let's prepare our eggs. Crack 2 to 3 large eggs into your small bowl. For extra fluffiness, consider adding 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. Season generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then, whisk the mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds. This thorough whisking ensures the yolks and whites are fully combined, creating a uniform texture for your scrambled eggs. Next, we'll move to the induction cooktop. Place your non-stick pan directly onto the cooking zone. Set your induction hob to a medium-low heat, typically a 4 or 5 setting, for gentle cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of butter or a neutral oil to the pan and allow it to melt until shimmering. Once the fat is ready, pour in your prepared egg mixture, ensuring an even spread across the pan. Finally, it's time to scramble. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds to begin setting. Then, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this folding and stirring motion for 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are softly set and creamy. Remove them from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking and serve your perfectly scrambled eggs right away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.